Imagine finding your ancestor's name buried inside a handwritten court record that nobody ever indexed, or discovering what happened to a family member who disappeared during World War II, or finally identifying the Italian village your family came from after years of searching. Most genealogists spend all their time on the same handful of websites. Meanwhile, some of the most powerful free genealogy tools on the internet are hiding in plain sight. In this video, I'm counting down 5 free genealogy websites that almost nobody talks about, but they can help you find records, solve family mysteries, and uncover stories that you may never find anywhere else. And make sure you stay until number 1, because it's probably the biggest genealogy breakthrough of the past few years. Now, this first website may not apply directly to every family tree, but it's one of the most innovative genealogy projects on the internet, and it shows where genealogy research is headed. Number 5 is enslaved.org. This website brings together records from archives, museums, universities, and historical collections to document the lives of enslaved people throughout the Americas. What makes it unique is how it connects people, places, ships, plantations, and historical events into one searchable network. Instead of looking at a single record, researchers can explore relationships and historical context in ways that weren't possible just a few years ago. If you have African American ancestry, it's definitely worth exploring. And even if you don't, it is one of the most innovative genealogy websites you'll find online. Coming in at number 4 is Last Seen. This project focuses on advertisements placed by formerly enslaved people after the Civil War as they search for family members from whom they had been separated. Parents search for children. Husbands search for wives. Brothers search for sisters. These advertisements contain names, locations, and family relationships that may not be found anywhere else. For African American researchers, Last Seen can provide valuable clues. For everyone else, it's a fascinating and moving glimpse into real family stories from the past. And that brings us to the next website. Now, those first 2 websites focus on stories that are often difficult to uncover, but the next website could help millions of Americans trace their family back across the Atlantic. Number 3 is Portale Antenati. If you have Italian ancestry, this may become your new favorite website. Portale Antenati is a free project from the Italian government that provides access to millions of historical civil registration records. We're talking about birth records, marriage records, death records, and other civil documents from towns throughout Italy. The best part? Many of these records include digitized images of the original documents. So instead of relying on an index, you can actually see the record of your ancestor's local record created 100, 150, or even 200 years ago. For Italian researchers, this website can often provide information that never appears in American records. You may discover exact hometowns, parents' names, occupations, and multiple generations of family members. If you've been struggling to cross the Atlantic and identify your family's town of origin, this is one of the first places you should look. If you think that's impressive, wait until you see the website at number 1. It can search records that most genealogy websites can't. Number 2 is Arolsen Archives. If your family was affected by World War II, the Holocaust, forced labor programs, refugee movements, or post-war displacement, this website could be incredibly valuable to your research. The Arolsen Archives contain millions of historical records documenting people who were persecuted by the Nazi regime or displaced during and after the war. Many researchers discover transportation records, camp records, displaced person records, immigration documents, and post-war tracing files. What's especially powerful is that these records often document people's movements across multiple countries. For families who lost contact with relatives during the war, these records have helped answer questions that remained unsolved for decades. Even if your family story doesn't involve the Holocaust directly, many European families were affected by wartime migration, imprisonment, military service, or refugee resettlement. This is one of those websites that can completely change what you know about your family's history. Okay, we've reached number 1. And honestly, I don't say this lightly. This may be the biggest genealogy breakthrough I've seen in years. Number 1 is FamilySearch Full Text Search. Now, technically, it's not a separate website. It's a feature within FamilySearch. But it's so powerful that it absolutely deserves its own spot on this list. Here's why. For years, genealogists have been limited to searching indexed records. In other words, someone had to read a record and extract names, dates, and places before it became searchable. The problem is that millions of historical records were never indexed. They've been sitting online for years, hidden inside handwritten court records, probate files, land records, tax records, estate files, and countless other documents. FamilySearch Full Text Search changes that. Using artificial intelligence, FamilySearch can search through the actual text of many handwritten historical records and make them searchable by name, place, or keyword. Think about what that means. Imagine searching for your ancestor and finding them mentioned on page 87 of a probate file that nobody ever indexed. Or discovering a land dispute that names multiple generations of a family. Or finding a court record that explains a family mystery you've been trying to solve for years. These are exactly the kinds of discoveries genealogists are making with this tool. And the best part is that FamilySearch continues to add more collections, so the tool keeps getting better. If you've never used FamilySearch Full Text Search before, I've actually created an entire video showing exactly how it works. I'll link that video in the upper right-hand corner if you'd like a complete walkthrough after you're done watching this one. If you haven't tried this tool yet, I strongly encourage you to do it. It may be the closest thing genealogy has to a hidden treasure map. So there you have it, 5 free genealogy websites that deserve far more attention than they get. So just to recap, number 5 was enslaved.org. Number 4 was Last Seen. Number 3 was Portale Antenati. Number 2 was Arolsen Archives. And number 1 was FamilySearch Full Text Search. I'll put the links to these videos in the description box below. Now I'd love to know, which one are you going to try first? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more genealogy tips, hidden resources, and family history research strategies. And if you want even more free genealogy websites, click on the video that's on your screen right now. I think you'll discover a few more hidden gems there. Thanks for watching, good luck with your research, and I'll see you in the next one.